Alright, new video. You may be wondering what this video is about. It's very calm, you can see. It's very calm, very still cinematography. Oh wait, go back, go back, go back. Alright. We're just going to talk about where I'm at right now. I'll give you a little tour of the workshop and my processes and the two knives I've made so far. Well, knife blanks. So this is my workshop right now. It is half of a garage, and as you can see, I've installed a second light up there. It is an LED strip light, and it is very convenient. I stuck it up using some 3M adhesive panels, whatever they're called. But yeah, if you look at it from the other side, you can see half of the garage is kind of cluttered, and we've got our car here. That's a Honda Accord Euro for any of you car enthusiasts. It's not really a sports car or anything like that, but it does the job. And at the front of the garage slash workshop, we've got our laundry area, and we have a little tank over there. This tank is actually a little housing for my black house spider. So yes, even though I have left the invertebrate hobby, I still have one species of spider, actually two. The other one is over here, is a trapdoor spider. You can see him there. And if you look a little closer in the substrate, I'm not sure where it is. There it is. There's a little dwarf white isopod. I've got a couple of those in here. And over here is just the other one, which is not out of its burrow right now. But black house spider is not to be seen. But yes, the workshop. So right now my setup is just this. I have 4 tables here. They are from IKEA, and they are very nice tables. They've got solid steel construction and plywood on the top. Here's the king of the workshop, the grinder. The grinder I chose is the 84 Engineering 2 by 72 grinder. This grinder is fully rigid. It's really nice construction. It's also very modular. I can put different arms, but I still have to buy them. It comes with a VFD, which is a variable frequency drive. This controls the speed of the grinder because this grinder is 2 horsepower. So it would be very strong and a bit overkill if you're doing delicate work. If any of you are wondering about the grinder's price, you can get this one for about $2,300. That's with the VFD, the 2 horsepower motor, and the entire body. Now the belts obviously will cost you a little bit differently. This ceramic belt was $12, so that's pretty expensive. Next up we have my Ryobi bandsaw. This thing will be used to cut out the blanks of the knives and just handle scales and anything really to cut. Next we have my Ryobi drill press, and this one is one hell of a drill press. I love it. It comes with this laser light, which I'll show you right now. And this laser light allows you to see exactly where you're going to be drilling a hole. Very nice. I've got this very modular vise. It spins 360 degrees, and the head also spins left and right. For my heat treating, I have this fire brick. This is actually a very heat resistant brick. It actually insulates the heat. And I got this idea off Alex Garland from Outdoors 55. So please check out his channel and you'll be very impressed with his knives. I actually admire him a lot, and he really did inspire me to do this entire knife making thing. And so really much how this works is I put those blow torches into the holes and just blowtorch the hell out of it. I got this really nice kitchen oven. Well, it's not really a kitchen oven, it's a toaster oven, but it's almost a kitchen oven because it's huge. This will allow me to do lots of knives at once, and it will allow me to do multiple knives. I mean, I already said that, but it will allow me to do big knives, is what I was to say. Over here is just a table for assembly. This is my Kydex press, so I will put a Kydex sheath in here with the knife, and I will press it down, and it will form and mold. For all the people who aren't really experienced with knife making, you won't know what the hell this does, but it just molds sheets. That's what it does. I've got a huge collection of belts down there from 40 grit to 600 grit. These are the two knives I've grinded out so far. If there's one thing I've learned, is to never rush knife making. If you rush it, you will stuff things up. Now this looks pretty nice so far. This one is my Tokyo Fighter. This one is a fighting knife. And this one over here is a utility blade, or just a really small survival knife. I wouldn't say this is a survival knife because it's pretty small for combat, but you know, survival knife, camping knife, whatever you want to call it. So this is my workshop. Up here is a good light. I did not have this to start with, and this is what it looks like without the light. Very dark, very dim, very dangerous. As you can see, the only light we have here is this stupid dim light that doesn't really do much, but as soon as I turn this bad baby on, boom, it's bright. So that's it really. That's all I've got for the workshop. I will see you guys in a few weeks or maybe 2 weeks when I get the first batch done. Thank you and bye.